Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming to you with another awesome weight loss video to start the year off right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 2 teaspoons of our cumin seeds into any cup or glass that can withstand the heat. Next, I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, and you're also going to add that into your glass. Now what you do is you drink this 20 minutes before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay? If you want to see more weight loss, you do it each time before each meal. Alright, y'all, so our water's finished boiling now, and I'm just going to pour a nice little cup of tea. Now what you can do to do this in advance before each meal is you can steep it in advance for at least 8 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover this, and I'm gonna leave it for at least 8 hours. Now, like I said, you drink this 20 minutes before each meal if you're doing this for weight loss. So you make sure you steep at least 3 portions for the next day, and this way you'll have enough 20 minutes before each meal. But you leave it on the counter, leave it for 8 hours, and you strain it and drink it. You can warm it up in your microwave. That's if you want it hot or warm, but this is a very powerful fat burning tea that's going to help to shrink you down and get rid of that extra weight. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check out my other channel, you guys. It's listed in the link down below, Velvet Vlogs, where you'll see hair care, skincare videos, weight loss videos, family challenges, story times, all of that on that channel, okay? And until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and your auntie loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.